Hello, welcome to CryptPoint Awareness Channel. Yesterday I informed you about the EOS and EOS block producers. So let's take the story further and talk about EOS Mainnet, how it will be launched and what is the process behind it. It has been a year since software company Block One has brought forward EOS. Since then, its community has grown to hundreds of thousands across the globe. They promised to launch a mainnet, and for that, they have made a EOS Mainnet Launch group. This group has offered a launch plan with clear steps. Let's look at these steps. First step in the plan was the token freeze, which means that they have freezed the EOS token that were distributed on Ethereum. This freeze was completed on 2nd June 2018, and after that, the launch process has started. Meanwhile, from the EOS community, block producers have emerged to compete with each other to become one of the chosen 21 block producers. We US are also one of the future competing candidates. In the launch process, there are 4 steps, and at this point, when I'm making this video, we are at the third step. Let's look at the steps. In the first step, the EOS Mainnet Launch Group have verified the snapshot of freeze token and selected temporary block producers to work with in booting the network. These block producers were there to ensure that the boot is correct. The second step started after the appointed block producers have completed the boot process and ensured that the token balance are correct. In this second step, the network was opened for third-party verification. Anyone who wishes to verify was welcome to verify the network. In the third step that is going on nowadays, the block producers community jointly verified the safety of the network and opened it for importing private keys and to vote for the block producers. After the voting process is completed, the 21 block producers will be finalized. All the appointed block producers will be immediately replaced by the elected block producers that have been voted in by the community, and the EOS mainnet will be announced active. That was all about the EOS mainnet. See you there. You can also learn more about us in both EOS Go and Steam It. Take care and bye for now.